What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Oh man, this week has not been great. Honestly, I had this weird feeling that it was like highly manipulated, probably because of the billions of dollars in futures contracts, but that's neither here nor there. We made it through. We basically finished out the August trading session. I say basically because noted we still have tomorrow as of recording this video on the 30th of August. But looking at Bitcoin, we are range bound. Absolutely range bound. So yeah, the positive out of this range boundness, your stochastic reset. We're sitting a little bit in bearish territory. However, it does look like we are uptrending on relative strength. Looking at our MACD, it shows a little bit of sell pressure in here. However, it doesn't look like much. Just looks like it's falling off of a cliff. So we're going to see how we finish off the month. But I do believe either in September, otherwise starting October, we might finally break out of this consolidation pattern that we've been in for 6 months. 6 whole months of consolidation. So maybe it'll be 7 months, maybe it'll be 8, I don't know, but the trend is up. So odds are we're going to break out. Looking at this as a bull flag, we could see the breakout take us all the way to 6 figures. And noted that could be by the end of the year, unless Wall Street feels like suppressing the price some more, as we found out this past week or two. They're really good at suppressing the price. They're really good at it because the amount of inflows into those ETFs are astounding. Yet if we look at our weekly candles here, you see the massive bullish engulfing and then the sell-off instantly right after. It is amazing. If only OTC would just dry up already. That'd be great. Anyways, that's what I see out of Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, even on the weekly, looks very bullish. Looks like it's ready to start pushing up. Looks like this 50 simple wants to push us up. And we are about to get the double golden cross. Well, with our 100 crossing over our 200 simple moving average. This is super bullish. So, yeah, I look forward to seeing what happens in the next week or two, because this cross looks like it's going to happen within the next day. Look forward to that. Anyways, let's go ahead and check out Ethereum. And Ethereum looks pretty lackluster. Checking it out on the weekly, you can see it is poised for upside, but the fact that we are under our 50 simple and we have been using it as strong resistance, that kind of worries me for the Ethereum trade. But you know, we're gonna see what the traders want to do. Checking out your daily looks good too. You're holding above this little level of support that used to be resistance. So support, slight resistance. Now it's being utilized as support again. That could be bearish or bullish. And if Bitcoin goes up, we will more than likely see Ethereum go up. Thought of this as like some form of supply line. I guess they decided to redraw it to this. We'll see if it actually holds. But I really want to see Ethereum get back above this 26.75. And once we get above that, back test it as support and actually hold it. Tried to back test it here, fell straight through the next day as Bitcoin sold off. So yeah, Ethereum, it has some work to do, but we're still sitting in this giant megaphone, descending megaphone, so it is inherently bullish. We should see a move to the upside eventually, but you know, with recession talks and wondering how much the Fed's going to lower interest rates and all these other things, maybe it gets held back. Also, you know, Solana's been eating Ethereum's lunch big time. Let's be real here. Speaking of Solana, let's go ahead and check out Solana. Solana's still looking good. God, we didn't get our 20% move up, but we're sitting at our 50% retrace. That's not a bad thing. Using it as support on the daily, pretty darn nice. Still expecting a test of this heart line. Once again, maybe we're just reassessing what the supply line looks like, possibly something like this. If that is the case, we could see Solana breaking out in the coming days as we move into a new month of trading. You know, new month, new price action. That whole sell in May and go away. Well, guess what? Those traders do come back. Usually it's in September. So I'm actually very interested to see how this month performs. Historically, let me get this out there, Bitcoin performs poorly in Septembers, but last year performed pretty okay. Maybe this year we get that to happen again. If we do have Bitcoin not dumping and we have this playing out for Solana as a bull flag idea, Solana could have a 91% move in the future. Let's go ahead and your daily looks fantastic. Let's check out your weekly. Weekly looks even better, except for the thing I don't like is a bearish engulfing weekly candle. So we do need to see a little bit of a rally today, within the next 24 hours. We need a little bit of a rally, get back above the 142.65 level. That would be nice. Otherwise, this bearish engulfing candle and this bearish engulfing candle could very easily turn into some follow through, and we see the price fall not only to 115 but possibly down here to 78.96. We don't want to see that. Period. Dot. We don't want to see it. So let's hope for the rally. Anyways, this is what I see out of these three crypto that I believe Wall Street is staring at intently when it comes to their crypto trades based off of the ETFs. Maybe they're looking at a couple other plays, especially with NVIDIA earnings that just came out. Look into your AI space. Look into your real world asset tokenizations. So like your Ondos, your token, and I think there's another one out there. I'm not all the way sure, but yeah, so these are what I'm looking at for Wall Street bets. And I think Bitcoin and Solana, they're about to make some really big moves. Ethereum will get pulled up with them. That's my opinion based off what I see in the charts. Anyways, please, if you do like this style of content, like and subscribe to the channel, like the video, and join the Discord. We are partnered up with Jumpex. We also have Fairdesk, but apparently the Fairdesk team, they also work with Jumpex. They will slowly start leaving Fairdesk behind and focusing a lot more on Jumpex. So I'm leaving the link for both down below, but really focusing on Jumpex. Jumpex is great. You have huge bonuses for deposits. You have rebates. You get VIP status, level 3, I believe. And on top of that, no KYC. That's kind of a big deal, especially considering what's been happening. I know KuCoin is starting to get rid of US citizens that were allowed to stay in there because they verified their identity beforehand. Then you have a lot of exchanges getting rid of US citizens. So Jumpex, great place to trade, and yeah, just another option for those looking to find a non-KYC exchange to trade on. You can also support the channel, join the copy trading. I cannot guarantee that you will get a ton of gains, but when I win in my trades, you make passive income. There is a split. It's a 90-10 split, so 10% comes to me, 90% goes to you. And note it, this is only off profits from when I make winning trades. Other than that, I don't get a dime. So, it is what it is. Anyways, if you want to check me out live, check me out live on Twitch. All links are in the description. Hopefully you guys are having a great day. Hopefully the weird volatility over the week didn't ruin all your trades. I decided to take a step back because it got way too strange for me, so I just stopped trading. Plain and simple. Now I'm back to it, and hopefully you guys are all doing well. Keep your stop losses tight. I'll catch you later.